In this video, we're making these delicious, moist and fluffy mini chocolate muffins. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make the muffins, so let's get started. To your flour, add in the cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Give that a mix. Then to the water, add in the instant coffee powder and mix it. In another bowl, take the sugar, coffee water, buttermilk, yogurt or dahi, oil, and give that a good mix. Once everything is combined, you're going to add in the dry ingredients and just mix until the dry ingredients are incorporated in the batter, but do not overmix. Then line your tray with some liners. And then using a spoon, just fill the liners till about 3/4 full. And then you're going to bake these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes or till a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And make sure not to overbake them. And then just let them cool on a wire rack and enjoy. Subscribe for more recipes and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with new videos, and I will see you soon. Bye!